What's up guys, today we are going to install this Climair rain guard weather shield. So I have the window rolled down. This is for the Dacia Sandero. I have the tool. I don't know if I need the tool, and all you do is you just pop it in the window. There it is installed. So I didn't have to use the tool, I just popped in this corner here. There was a lot of it protruding and I just pushed it in and it seems quite solid. I'm going to install the other one and I'm going to shut the windows and see how it holds up. I'll be back. Okay, so I have both of them installed and they the windows are shut and they open and close fine. So on a rainy day, if you just want to open your window just a little bit, you can do so. Same on the other side here, like so. Very nice and so easy to install. Very happy with the purchase. It is just a bit overpriced for what it is, so yeah, if you can find one cheaper, that's great. If not, they do the job. They're reliable. No messing around with tools or anything like that. Easy to install. And they're great just for windproofing. Because on the motorway or highway or whatever you call it, there's a lot of noise. It diverts a lot of that noise away from the top of the window itself. And it also allows you to open a window slightly when it's raining hard. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.